listen. The mother claimed everybody had the other key. Yet still, when the mother go home, she never have a key. I've been asking for the last 3 months, why, if everybody have a key, a woman that come out her house 92.5% of the time, she will take up her little bag and she will take up her key. No, she borrow Mr. T key and said Mr. T have a housekeeper fear, but I said, me ask Shanda, I say, Shanda, where if you hear a key there? No. Makes sense. If Mr. T, if Shani is that bunch of key in a real life, the mother key for the house was on that bunch of key and Shani is having. That's why she never have their key.
Exactly.
Me can look for the one that way, bro. Because if you are
the one that we are looking at different way, but as I say, I saw one man Shani is a raise mode for the last so almost both Shani is we understand. No Shani is Shanda we understand what I say. Can we be asked? I've been asking the question. How should I have our key?
That key for the
breakfast.
breakfast.
Just not allow me to explain, so I can't bother.
But the key for the breakfast, why should I have her key on the breakfast when the breakfast occupied? She would have left that key at the breakfast. Remember, people
have seen it.
Them players have their own spare key. Where
we assume that she would have taken her key.
Price, you have to listen for understand. No, listen to me, I say. The key where she have is clean, she clean the place. That wouldn't be the key where if somebody want to come at the bread and breakfast, for stay there for a couple nights, that wouldn't be the key where she got hand over to give them. She has that key for when she got clean that key there. So she couldn't have that key along with her housekeeper and the same bunch.
But like right now,
listen for understand. Just listen for understand. Because a piece where a piece the puzzle.
Me do Airbnb. Me have my job plus me do Airbnb on the side. Me have one key for the lady place. Pam my bunch of key for my house and everything mix up. So me understand what she has said.
Thank you, Spirito 9, for your contribution to the live. Thanks.
Well, it's still an assume. We are assume because, as I say, she would have called Mr. T, tell Mr. T which part on the dresser. She can look or if you look out.
But you still not listen. Me say no price. You still not listen. You still not listen. Even if Mr. T go, what me I say to you say? Even if Mr. T go to Egypt for the key, that's why the auntie never have their key. The auntie house key was on that key. That's why she couldn't use.
Why she never carry the key? Why she never carry the key if you get her daughter?
That's what I'm saying. Why she had to make 2 trips? No.
Why she never carry the key without when her daughter go come collect the key? Why?
So how she would have known her daughter come for collect the key?
Then that's how she go stay because she not stay at the yard.
You know, yes, the daughter.
She never come for stay. She never come for stay.
What you mean by she never come for stay?
But the girl never bring no luggage price. She didn't bring any luggage. What?
She had to.
She have to see.
This girl have clothes at Jamaica. This girl have clothes at Jamaica.
Price. Listen what me I say, Price. Just listen. Just listen what we are saying. What I'm trying to tell you is this, right? This explains what Mr. T is saying that it is true. Say him did give the girl the key and him did see her. That is what we are trying to say. This proves that he did see her. Because it come back round now, come show at the bottom where the mother now asks where her key that she can't find her key. I remember earlier Mr. T tell we say she did tell him to give somebody one key, right? And that's all we are saying. It shows it put her there so for true say Mr. T see her.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's all we are saying.
When I deny the fact, when me I say when she mentioned key, the key is not her key. The key is for the apartment. As Mr. T said, she put on she have the key in our bag. She have the key in our bag. So the man explained to it. So she call him and tell him if we go looking at the bag. We take out the key for the place and carry go give she. So all my talk, it never sound like it is her key, as in her key. You must say the key for the place.
You know, listen what we are saying. I did bread and breakfast key. So all Mr. T have him housekeeper and him car key. A lady just tell her look why she have a bread and breakfast.
Surprise. Surprise. Do you know if our house
Shanda.
key was on that? Do you know how much key was on the keys where him give Shani? Do you know? Do you know that it's only the bread and breakfast key but that was on it? Do you know?
Probably that's her bunch of tea she left.
that's
at
what
the-
Exactly, that's what I'm saying, Price. You don't know. Because here we are later where she ready for go in her house and she not have no key. Here we are, she's not ready to go home, ready for go in her house and she not have no key.
You know what I say?
Gosh,
That's what I'm telling you. You see that case here? You have to pick piece from all over the place to get it together. Because I'm telling you something. You know why I never dispute at 2 o'clock? Because I never have enough evidence for dispute at 2 o'clock. I said this right now, this is the only thing we can use to dispute she coming to Jamaica 2 o'clock the next day. If them are going to say it's a TC, because as I said, no, it make a little more sense to me. Because I have been asking why the mother has not have her key. Because the mother state that she called Mr. T and tell Mr. T, say, lend me your key. And Mr. T, as she tell we, say Mr. T, house key, they him car key, as she tell we that. And I may pick it out of the air. I am prone to go for what they said.
Shanique,
Because
left her mother down at hospital. Shanique,
Price, this is what I say. We now got better we move on because me now got explain it to you because you the part your side and me the part my side, but me understand in my head what me I say. And what me I say make a lot of sense. I mean I try to convince you. You can't hold your side of the story and make me hold mine. But as I say, this is the first time I ever place Shanice in Jamaica different from the 2 o'clock when them tell me. That's it. And I feel myself comfortable that I can say it's a possibility that she come before the time she said.
No, when me I say no, Tiger. What I'm saying, when she left the hospital, she left the hospital to go buy KFC for the youth, you know. What time she leave the hospital to go buy KFC for the youth because the youth ask for KFC? What time? The baby asked for KFC. Say one KFC. So she left her mother. She left her mother at the hospital with the baby.
Jayden. Are the excuse
She left her
that?
mother. We are the man. She left her mother at the hospital.
How old is the baby again? Baby
Right, so now the hospital, she left her mother. At the hospital, she
Baby,
left her mother. She leave her mother at the hospital. That was the alibi if you leave, if you go deal with Jayden, if you go buy KFC.
Exactly.
And that's why Mr. T, said how quick.
But Mr. T would have gave her the key in the morning already. If you go up a spur tree, if you go change and come back. But after she come back from spur tree, she was in the hospital with her mother and the baby. And she said the baby want KFC. And she left. That I went now near for Jayden, let out from school. She left. If you see a chicken she go buy, feed the baby. That is when them go do their act.
After them done do their act, then she said she go buy the KFC with her bloody hand and then send a message now as the alibi. Oh, I'm waiting in the line. That are the alibi now if you say I did went to KFC at this time.
And that she said, she mentioned it, say, oh, them can check the camera. She was there.
So
They can check the camera.
They left her mother with her baby in the evening.
Remember this man was so concerned when you from America, you know, and then you left your baby
Because
side to
even
go buy
though-
KFC? Okay.
What me have to figure out now is this, right? If can me kind of feel comfortable with the key thing. So me now I forgot go through it again. If you see how me I go place her now, it can be a possibility now. As this I got throw everything out of the water because now me I forgot I want that. So actually did Jayden go to school then? That's the next thing. Because if all
Because
this was just
you know, African
God, we are the principal lie.
You can leave the world. You can leave.
Tiger, What you need to do is to find out who was Jayden teacher and reach out to that teacher.
Teacher and the
Who is
teacher.
his homeroom
Listen me.
teacher? Who is his math
Jayden
teacher? Who is
is
his
the
reading
same teacher. The farm teacher for Jayden is the same teacher that tell us that she saw Jayden and Jayden run. This is the same teacher now is telling a doctor that Jayden is into a home. This are the worst teacher if you buck up and figure you anything.
Well, it's infantry, but him have got more than one teacher, right?
When we at the school and I interview the picnic them, and none of them never mentioned say they saw Jayden at school. Every one of them in front of me at LLU said the last place they see him at Perth Road. None of them said them see him in the school compound. So he could have left for school, but he never reached school.
God damn, that teacher there with.
He could have left for school, but he never reached school. So we can't dispute the fact that him left for school, but he may never reach on the compound of school.
They use school as alibi. They say yes, he's a missing child.
So, but he left the yard to school. He left the yard to school, but he may never reach on the compound to school.
But the teacher say in the school.
That's why you see when sometimes some people don't understand what we think say, oh, because it's a teacher or it's a principal or it's a police, so they have to do these. We have to all understand that these people are human beings. A human being can be the wicked. You don't know if it's a serial killer.
They only doing it for a paycheck. If they get money to shut up, they're gonna
serial unaliver. Guys, unaliver.
Sorry, Tiger. You don't know if this person is a serial unaliver. You don't know what kind of thing this person get up to behind closed door. So when people are gonna vouch for people in authority, I just look at them as sad and hopeless, like you really don't have a clue upon human beings. So when I'm gonna say, oh, the principal, and because he's a principal, he have to do this by law. Nobody no deal with law, all the law themselves. Oh. So when we send we picnic at school, we don't know who teach with children.
You know what this to know?
Oh, we don't know if they have no picture with picnic in a dark room. We have to pray over we picnic. We don't know who we are let out with picnic, who are look after we picnic. We don't know the doctor, we don't know the teacher, we don't know the principal, we don't know. Oh.
Brother, then just move him around the town with you.
You better go and check the cubicle before you allow your people.
Then carry him go around the town for the day. And then when the time come, then do what they have to do. Don't have him and move him around the town.
Good evening.
Then just move him. And move him all over. And when they don't move him then and place him when they want to place him, then just go away with him.
Tiger, I'm gonna be right back.
You know,
Yeah,
you see that
I
KFC
wanna feature.
Jamaica.
Yeah, as I was saying, I have one of the teacher profile, and I talked to the teacher, but the teacher, they don't want to give out any information. I even asked her for Jayden Smith, teacher's name, and until this day, she don't really write. She don't. From I heard you on your profile in terms of your post, I text the teacher because I have her profile. So me and her talk, right, in her inbox her, and she don't give out the information. I know she don't reply back to me.
No, because that teacher that them are used for place him at different places. That is the teacher. This teacher is onto it, you know. This teacher is onto it. He's a doctor, you know. He's a medical doctor. She see, you know. And I tell the doctor, you know. A medical doctor from Mandeville Hospital, you know. And she tell him, say, Jayden is into a home, you know. And the doctor talk convinced. Him attack convincingly.
Teacher, where brother talk?
I said this teacher, which is in farm teacher. Is a farm teacher. Because the doctor say I'm farm teacher. Right? So cause him attack strongly that Jayden was found. But this lady and me correspond, which fear daughter is a doctor too. And him and this a doctor Yamania wife, she and fear daughter a friend. right? And so comes even the little girl over Trinidad bring up, because she come from Trinidad. And she had explained to the lady, say, these are the things that my Trinidad the people give up them picnic for sacrifice, right? And then she know the whole sacrifice thing and I break it down to this lady because she's a, I never want to call her type, she a who, very. But, as we say, this lady now have to break it back to him and show him, say, no, the youth still missing. And so comes now, I come back out now, come say, listen me, you're a woman of concern. Because why are you doing this? Are you the same teacher, so you see him and he run. And so you come back now and send false narrative to people again to say that he's into a woman is okay. Talk to a policeman with you and him say same thing. Jayden safer than me and you. So I say why Jayden is safer than me and you and the police have open search and you only have police. And still it open investigation. What you talk about? Mr. Top nice man. Some man move for you, some man. Because you don't know me. When I deal with people, I deal with people cold. Here's who you be. And I must say, boy, you can't take them argument. See you, brother.
Anything about it, you know. Me and one of the teachers, the same teacher, me and her, him comment on a post because she like all of her, most of her posts them, you know, from the school, you know. With them search with Jayden, she like most of them. So one of them she didn't leave open. I come up and comment on it and ask her a few questions if at the time Jayden was at school and thing, and she answered me, but lately she closed it, she locked that post, right? So I can't get no information from it anymore. But I screenshot some of them, but yeah. So that means everybody is trying to hush things. They don't really want to send out any information regarding the principal.
Because you know I can call that break. I tell you what can cause that. And this is not factual, guys. This is my opinion. What can cause that, you know? You see, everybody will know say something go wrong. Everybody are gonna try to while look you know make it go out there. So everybody are try to defend the little part what them know. Because you understand that can be a part of it. Or I don't know, but I just feel like everybody will know. Because I know it's a big problem, and then I think the social media is eating them bad. Guys, what are the guys? Guys, me a favor, guys. If you are in this live here, can you follow the host? Because I can see 4 people at the minute at the second part of the down there, so not follow the host. Guys, can you follow the host, please?
It seem like it for true, you know. But in terms of that teacher, she want closure, you know, but she don't really want to give out any information concerning the case, right? You know, because it seems like the principal himself, you know, might be giving them instruction or certain thing like that. Right. And we're surprised he's saying he's connected to cult and all that. Yeah. I strongly believe that because he's a part of the Rotary Club. Yeah, he's a part of the Rotary Club. And you know, the Rotary Club is right.
You can't unite unless.
But even though I am not 100%, even though I must admit this to you guys, even though I'm not 100%, this is the first time I ever feel like seriously I can go and do some digging to see if she did came before 2, because as I said, the key, you see, there's little things, you know. There's little things that bugs my brain. So it don't have to be a whole big thing. Just one small thing can bug my brain, and that small thing will cause me to dig a whole well. And the key was a factor because of what she said. And she said it was such a passion because she said including Jayden. And then when she came home from the hospital, she didn't have her key. But I never put the keys in together, even though I'm asking for the key. Because the key out there every day the key out there. Mr. T said she gave key, Mr. Key. And I have never put it together until tonight. That's why the auntie did not have her key. So you know what? I feel like I am 70% to 30% now that Mr. T did give her the key. I am 70-30 tonight that Mr. T did give her the key. Because the auntie, and this is what I'm saying, you see, I don't think there's one single smoking gun. I don't think there's one. We can say, this is what happened. I think in order to know what really happened to Jayden, you have to pick from this person, pick from that person, and then put it together.
Tiger, you so much lie we uncover since night. You so much lie we uncover.
You know, if I was sending my child to that school right now, me I want to take out my child. Because to be honest, if Jayden is just missing innocently and the school have nothing to cover up, why are they not speaking? Why are they not making, why them afraid to make them like a post or something like, it's just an innocent child gone missing from an school.
Cut your mama. If the house never exists, the police wouldn't go search your house, you know.
Well, I say house exists in the price because that's what I say. You have to just take a second to listen what we are saying there, we understand what we are saying. Because I say we approve certain things and I doubt them. But you just have a put up a plan.
No, the point, no, you're not getting me now. What I am saying, me did I say, are two different key. Me not say the key no pass on, you know. What I am saying, it is two different key.
No, we know say the house key. We know say the bread and breakfast key. But what I am saying to you, Uncle, because you know, follow what I've been checking for the last 2 months. Shanda know what me I say because every day me I say to Shanda say it don't make no sense because the man I say everybody have a key and remember she push out her mouth and I say including Jayden. So when she reach the house she don't have fear key now me I say. So why you not have your key? But I've been saying it. I've been asking the question. As I said, it's a small key. But then, the puzzle was always there. Mr. T called the key. And me asked, why she not have a key? Mr. T said the key. Why she not have a key? But tonight now, it come together and make more sense to me.
I just said the brother and all of them did the for one. So Mr. T here, the brother and breakfast key. So
give away the mother key. That's why the mother is a key.
Find out the key. Fine.
You see. I know you. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes I have to just listen and just work. Cause I've been asking about the key for the last 2 months, my brother. Why she not have her key? Can normally. So you see, alright. So you see, because she rushed out of the hospital, a woman can't tell her this, you know. A woman can rush out of the house and left her key. It's not impossible. You understand? It's not impossible. But me I think in the night say she have to have her key. But I know, like I said, 100% a woman gonna rush out of the house and rush the key and rush the little purse. No, they not do it. It can happen, but the percentage is probably lower than the high.
So you see what happened now? For she to remember, say her daughter forget the key. The daughter was at the hospital when she called Mr. T. If call him, say, bring the key, come here. Because the daughter know the hospital.
Alright, you see, because here what happened now, you know. Because most of them posts they are put together, you know, because hear this. There's a next question that I have been asking. Because I am saying to I always saying, like, hold on. So if the daughter that come to release the mother, right? Mr. T are gonna bring home the mother. Why then Mr. T would have to give her the key at the pharmacy and not when she come in at the hospital, Mr. Key. So what Mr. T said, it make a lot of sense. Make a lot of sense.